Chickens are descendants of small feathered theropod dinosaurs that lived millions of years ago, such as Velociraptor and Archaeopteryx, which already had feathers, hollow bones, and other bird-like traits. Over time, these feathered dinosaurs evolved into early bird with wings, brakes, and lightweight skeletons, surviving the mass extinction that wiped out most dinosaurs about 66 million years ago. From these early birds came many modern species, and the chicken specifically traces back to the red jungle fowl of Southeast Asia, which humans domesticated around 8,000 years ago. Me and my partner chose this animal evolution, which is the dinosaur, to chicken, because it is a very interesting evolution that a large being that is that lived 1,000 years ago is now just a small animal.